Hello, this is an accessory for an injection molding machine. There's a connector on it. This one's bigger, this one's smaller. So, we now make machines for this connector. This machine is equipped with a safety grating. Well, there's something different about this machine. This one is customized off standard, equipped with MIS system. Then all the parameters on our side are already set. But if you need to change the parameters, you need to enter the password. Prevents incorrect entry by other personnel. And there's 2 activation switches on this side. Why do we need 2 settings? Our regular machines don't have an on-off switch here. We usually start the switch here. We can add pedals. There's a safety grating. When you put your hand in this position, it will have a hint, anomaly detected. Then the machine will be unbootable. We have 3 models here. Normally we use talk mode. You see, we start at the same time. Okay, it's already tightened. It takes us 4 to 5 seconds to complete a product like this. Then the maximum torque of this machine is 23 torque. The torque can be set as you wish. So about this little one on either side. It's wired. Then we need to replace these 2 fixtures. You can replace these 2 fixtures by turning this screw. It's very simple. Okay, thank you.